Hello. Welcome to another Simple Takeoffs tutorial video. This one's for custom views in the A32NX, including wing views. But before we get down to business, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Your like and subscription is the only thing I receive from my efforts, and it's greatly appreciated. So there's two steps involved in doing this. It's very easy. The first step is to just set the keyboard shortcut that allows you to save your custom views. And that's going to be your number pad from 0 to 9. And then the second step would be just editing one character in the camera config file for the A32NX aircraft. And then once we do that, you'll be able to set all these different custom views that I have here, like the left wing, the right wing with the engine, and well, I have it here to the landing gear, but you can put it to whatever you like. So here we go. First step, open up your settings in Microsoft Flight Simulator, go to your control options, and under filter you want to go to under keyboard, you want to go to all for the filter and search camera, and under save custom camera 0 to 9er you want to change it so that you can for each one of these, you want to change it so that you can hold control and the respective number key to save that respective camera view from 0 to 9, as you see right here. Very easy. So once you do that, you go to your community folder. For me, it's on my C drive, but for you guys, it might be under program files under your Microsoft Flight Simulator folder, and you want to go find your A32NX folder, go to Sim Objects, Airplanes, and you'll find the camera config file. And I know I'm breezing through this, guys, so just feel free to pause and go back. Initial XYZ, so under camera definition 0, under initial XYZ, it's the first portion of the camera config file. For you, it'll be a 0 or whatever it is by default. I want you to change that first character to a 5. So if it's a 0, whatever it is, I don't remember what it was by default, but you want to just change it to a -5 and save that, and come back to the sim. And a little trick, so you don't have to reload it to like exit and come back. You just go to your settings, enable developer mode, and you're going to get that bar on the top. Go to Windows, Aircraft Selector, and double click on your A32NX, and it'll just reload. And this time, as you can see, because you edited the camera config file, it'll launch you, like spawn you outside of the aircraft. And this is basically what's going to allow you to save whatever custom wing views or engine views, whatever view you want. So it's kind of like a hack that makes the sim think you're inside the aircraft, but really you've launched yourself outside. And you just use the arrow keys to navigate wherever you like. So for example, right here, if you want, if I hold control and for example 0, this view that you see right now would be set as my view associated with the number pad 0. And you just do this from 0 to 9, so you have basically 10 different views that you can set. Feel free to just navigate around the aircraft like I am. They've modeled a few sections to make it look realistic, and they filled in the panels for the window and whatnot. So this is how you can set your custom wing views, guys. You just zoom in. It's a little bit of a iterative process to get the perfect view that you want, but in the end, once you get to the view that you wish to save, you just hold down the right control with the associated number key, and you're good to go. That's it. These are the views I have set, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.